How to cancel a scheduled bill payment in Ally Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to stop a bill that's scheduled, well here is how to cancel a scheduled bill payment in Ally Bank on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ally Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ally Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, simply have to click payments or bill pay to open the bill payment center and there you simply have to find the scheduled payment or upcoming payments tab to see all future payments. And there you simply have to select the payment you want to cancel or click cancel or delete payment to open the confirmation prompt. And there you simply have to confirm your choice and note that you can only cancel if the payment hasn't started processing. And there, once you do that, you will get an on-screen confirmation and the payment will be removed from the schedule. And that's it. That's how you can cancel a scheduled bill payment in Ally Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.